Hey there, fellow shoppers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech and tips to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to track your Walmart order in 2025. With Walmart's updated systems, tracking your packages has become faster, smarter, and more convenient than ever. Whether you're eagerly awaiting that new gadget or everyday essentials, you'll be a pro at this in no time. First things first, let's get started. Open up the Walmart app on your smartphone or head to the Walmart website on your computer. If you don't have the app, download it from your app store. It's free and packed with 2025 upgrades like enhanced AI for real-time updates. Once you're in, log into your account using your email and password. New to Walmart? Quickly create an account. It's straightforward and only takes a minute. Now, navigate to the Orders section, usually found at the top of the page or in the menu on the app. Here, you'll see a list of your recent purchases. Select the order you want to track, and voila! You'll be taken to a detailed tracking page. In 2025, Walmart has rolled out some cool features, like live maps showing your package's exact location, estimated arrival times, and even carbon footprint trackers for eco-conscious shoppers. If your order was shipped via a partner like UPS or FedEx, you'll get a tracking number automatically. Click on it to jump to the carrier's site for more in-depth info. Pro tip: enable notifications in the app settings so you get alerts for every update. No more refreshing the page endlessly. Sometimes, things don't go as planned. If your tracking isn't updating, double-check your order status or contact Walmart support through the chat feature, which is now powered by AI for quicker responses. It's that simple. There you have it. Tracking your Walmart order in 2025 is a breeze. This method not only saves you time but also reduces that waiting anxiety. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more how-to videos, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.